The moon's surface is covered in a layer of fine dust called regolith, which helps reflect sunlight and gives the moon its familiar glow. Now, imagine if the moon were made entirely of glass. This intriguing scenario opens up a world of possibilities, especially during an eclipse. What kind of breathtaking spectacle would a glass moon eclipse create? Today, we're diving into this imaginative concept and exploring how a glass moon could transform a familiar celestial event into something extraordinary. From the way light interacts with glass to the potential challenges of such a moon, we'll uncover how this hypothetical situation could dazzle our imaginations. Ready to see the moon in a whole new light? Let's jump in and discover the dazzling potential of a glass moon eclipse together. To appreciate the concept of a glass moon eclipse, we first need to understand what happens during a traditional lunar eclipse. In a typical lunar eclipse, the Earth passes between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow on the lunar surface. This can happen in three main forms: total, partial, and penumbral eclipses. During a total lunar eclipse, the Earth completely covers the moon, blocking direct sunlight and causing the moon to take on a reddish hue, often referred to as a blood moon. This happens because the Earth's atmosphere scatters shorter wavelength blue light, allowing longer wavelength red light to illuminate the moon. A partial eclipse occurs when only a part of the moon enters Earth's shadow, resulting in a partial darkening of the lunar surface. In a penumbral eclipse, the moon only passes through the Earth's partial shadow, causing a subtle darkening that can be hard to detect with the naked eye. Now, let's shift our focus to the concept of a glass moon. Imagine our moon as a massive, transparent sphere made entirely of glass. This idea may sound like science fiction, but it offers a fascinating way to explore how materials interact with light in extreme scenarios. The moon, as we know it, is composed of rock and dust, which absorb and reflect light in specific ways. A glass moon, on the other hand, would behave quite differently. Glass is a material that refracts light, meaning it bends light rays as they pass through it. Depending on the type of glass and its thickness, this bending can create various visual effects, such as distortion or dispersion of light into its component colors. For a moon made of glass, this means that during an eclipse, the way light passes through or reflects off the lunar surface would be fundamentally altered. In the case of a glass moon eclipse, the interaction between sunlight and the glass moon would result in some remarkable visual phenomena. When the Earth casts its shadow on the glass moon, the light that filters through the Earth's atmosphere and reaches the glass could create a dazzling display. The sunlight passing through the glass might be refracted into a spectrum of colors, similar to how a prism separates light into a rainbow. This refraction could produce a mesmerizing effect, where the moon might appear to shimmer or display vibrant hues during the eclipse. Additionally, the glass moon might create reflections and patterns that we would not see with a traditional rocky moon. If the glass had unique optical properties, such as those found in certain types of high-quality optical glass, the eclipse could become an extraordinary celestial event with intricate light displays and shifting colors. Moreover, if the glass moon had imperfections or bubbles within it, these could further distort and scatter light, adding even more complexity to the visual spectacle. This could result in an eclipse where the moon is surrounded by an aura of vibrant, shifting colors, turning a routine astronomical event into a breathtaking and unpredictable light show. However, a moon made of glass would face significant challenges. For one, the structural integrity of the moon would be a major concern. The glass would need to be incredibly strong to withstand the gravitational forces exerted by Earth and the impacts from space debris. In reality, no known material could maintain its structural integrity under such conditions and remain a stable, permanent moon. Additionally, the moon's gravitational pull affects tides on Earth. A glass moon might not have the same gravitational effects as a rocky moon, potentially leading to unforeseen changes in Earth's tides and climate. Let's indulge in some creative imagination about what a glass moon eclipse could look like. Beyond the potential for stunning visual effects, a glass moon might introduce unique and captivating phenomena. As the Earth's shadow moves across the glass surface, the moon could exhibit various optical effects. One intriguing possibility is the creation of a lunar halo. This halo could be a bright, colorful ring encircling the moon, produced by the refraction of light through the glass. Depending on the angle of the light and the properties of the glass, this halo might shift in color and intensity, offering a constantly changing display of light. Additionally, if the glass moon were made of different types of glass with varying refractive indices, you might see multiple layers of light patterns superimposed on one another. These patterns could range from simple color bands to intricate fractal designs, adding layers of beauty and complexity to the eclipse. The presence of impurities or bubbles in the glass could further enhance these effects, creating a dynamic, ever-changing display during the eclipse. Another fascinating aspect would be the potential for the glass moon to act as a gigantic lens or magnifier. This could magnify the stars and other celestial objects in the vicinity of the moon, making them appear larger and more detailed. Stargazers and astronomers could find themselves observing a celestial spectacle like never before, with enhanced views of distant stars and planets. Of course, it's important to remember that this glass moon scenario is purely hypothetical. Our real moon is composed of rock and dust, and it plays a crucial role in our planet's ecosystem. Its gravitational pull affects tides, stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, and contributes to various climatic patterns. A glass moon, if it were somehow possible, would alter these fundamental interactions and have significant implications for life on Earth. The concept of a glass moon serves as an imaginative exercise in exploring how different materials can affect celestial phenomena. While no material, including glass, could realistically withstand the conditions of space and maintain a stable orbit, the thought experiment highlights the incredible diversity of possible visual effects and interactions that different materials can produce. In reality, the scientific principles of optics and materials science offer a deeper appreciation for the natural phenomena we observe. By imagining alternative scenarios, we can better understand the complexities of the universe and the remarkable interplay between light and matter. A glass moon eclipse, while purely hypothetical, sparks fascinating possibilities and highlights the incredible beauty of light interacting with unique materials. From dazzling color displays to magnified celestial views, this imaginative scenario offers a fresh perspective on lunar events. If you enjoyed this journey into a hypothetical glass moon, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Let us know in the comments what other celestial wonders you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.